來看即馬在歐洲呢，稱冠溫而且閣透風，所以真濟國家攏傳出火燒山的災情，包括希臘、西班牙，也閣有法國，攏算長甲真忝，有數萬人是趕緊撤離。就連這個好萊塢的名星喬治·克隆尼，伊佇法國的主體嘛同款受到威脅。那喬治·克隆尼伊是表示講，會甲社區徛做伙來協助中國。
烏煙大調咧，規個燒起來，風閣一直扇。佇咧南歐發生失控的野火，佇咧希臘克里特島，幾若千個遊客甲居民緊急疏散，甚至閣有消防員佇咧救災過程不幸殉職。
We found that human-induced climate change made the fires in Spain at least 20 times more likely, so the fire weather conditions, and in France at least twice as likely.
佇咧法國南部甲西班牙，高溫可汗引起數十年來上嚴重的野火危機，萬外公頃的林地攏燒起。
In Spain, there have been a lot of land abandonment, so people moved from rural places into cities, and the land is left to itself, and that means there's a lot more unmanaged vegetation, and so when it's as hot and dry as it was, that dries out very quickly, and so there's a lot of fuel.
野火炭燒威脅着南法小鎮布里紐勒，好萊塢的明星喬治·克隆尼甲伊的某囝住迄間900萬歐元的好野人厝，嘛袂走閃捷，規家伙仔4個人緊急疏散。也那喬治·克隆尼嘛甲在地市長發話，表示會協助賑災重建。這場大火唔但傷到明星，在地酒莊的工仔人甲做事人嘛攏出動水車來鬥拍火。唔但是南歐、英國、英格蘭東部、索福克郡沿海的鄧威治爬園地，二九嘛發生野火炭燒，火真緊就炭燒要到210個跤球場的大細。以前英國真罕得發生野火，啊毋過即馬氣候變遷、極端氣候，啊閣有長期可汗，互土壤甲食物攏失去水分，互大自然變做是一個真大的火藥庫。干那一點仔火就會變做是無法度控制災難。公視新聞4派選編譯。